G'day aspiring engineers. In this video I want to pick up where I left off after that last one. That video was titled The Best Way to Learn in 2026. And of course we're talking about how to learn Autodesk Fusion, that fantastic piece of CAD software. Well, Fusion is a CAD program, a computer-aided design program, and it's a beauty. I reckon it's the best one out there, and I've taught most of them in university classrooms in Australia. Right, now here's the thing. Computer-aided design, or CAD for short, is product development software. It's design software, and I mean product design. And it's normally for businesses designing products to manufacture and to sell for money. Yes, it's a business tool. So if you're a hobbyist and you want to learn to use that same wonderful CAD software, then it wouldn't hurt to learn to use it for exactly what it's actually for: designing and developing products. If you design something that other people like and want, then you can sell it. You can sell a lot or a few, depending what you need. Now, just remember, even a hobby needs a few resources. Did you notice that I changed the slogan on the homepage of my YouTube channel? The best way to learn Fusion is to earn while you learn. Yes, that's right, make $1 out of it. And make $1 or $2 while you're learning how to design and make stuff. Design and develop a product. So if you get good at doing this, then you're going to be really good at computer-aided design. I hope you'll excuse me. This is what I really want to teach. This is what gets me out of bed in the morning. I want to help people earn a few dollars using this magnificent piece of software for designing and developing commercial products. Okay, if you're a hobbyist and you don't care about money, maybe you don't even need money, well, that's okay. Just skip this video and get on to the how-to content that I'm continuing to produce. Now, in that last video, I shared with you a prompt for whatever AI tool that you like to use, asking it to come up with 15 ideas for your hobby which can be 3D printed. I'll make that one available again this week for free also, so sign up to my newsletter down below and get the free PDF download. Now, it's easy to get lots of ideas to choose from, that is for what to make. The next step is to see if any of your friends want one of those too. Now, don't ask the AI what's a good product to make and sell. Ask your friends who are into the same hobby that you are. You've got to understand what AI is good for. It cannot replace talking to people, but it can be really good at giving you ideas when you want them. Let's talk more about that later.